Hello, very good morning, all of you, my dear students. Now we will discuss practical problem and practical questions regarding of Hindu undivided family. We will be throughout the knowledge what is the Hindu undivided family and what is Hindu Karta Dharta and what is the regarding of family. I have already discussed regarding of regarding is Hindu undivided family. What is the meaning of Hindu undivided family? And we have already discussed is the regarding of Hindu undivided family and what is the benefits. And we have already. It is required to minimum two people at least the one male member in a Hindu undivided family and every member can deposit their income in common HUF corps. And how does the HUF comes into existence? We have already discussed of members of family who are not co-family member no right to claim the portions. It is the 1st September form is crops for HUF can be capital assets like property, golds, jewelry, securities, deposits, or cash. And what is the silent features of HUF, Hindu Undivided Family? Some of the members of HUF are designated as family members, and there is no need to fill up applications from in the submit of KYC documents for joining an Hindu Undivided Family. It is amendment in 9 2005. Its daughter also co-family members is with effect 9 2005 in the Hindu Secession Amendment Act in 2005. Hindu Secession Act's amendment equal right to daughters even after marriage. And how can we manage a Karta of HUF Hindu Undivided Family as a manager and Karta Dharta? And what is the power of Karta Dharta? We have already discussed all points in details. And what is the duties of Karta as a Hindu undivided family is a manager and a Karta. Managing the affairs of HUF, maintenance, marriage, render accounts and representations, maintaining, etc. And what is the liabilities of a Karta Dharta? We have already discussed, and now we will be checking your knowledge again. Who is typically recognized of Karta in a Hindu undivided family? HUF, oldest old family members, youngest male family member, female family member, any family member selected through a family. It is the right answer is the A, oldest male family members. And now, how will be taking the decision regarding of presidential status of a Hindu undivided family? I have already discussed in the details how it will be implemented and how it will be decisions. It is main points is the you are living manager and Karta living in India last 10 years, 2 previous years the continues living in India, and out of 7 years you will be stay in India 730 days or more days. Only individual and HUF can be residents and not ordinary residents in India. All other classes access can be either a residents and non-residents. We have already discussed of the SSE assessment and previous years and how it will be clipping of the provisions of income in the undivided family, section 64 clause 2, and how to will be calculated the gross total income. We have already discussed regarding of gross total income and what is the features and what how to will be calculate total income. We have already discussed and what is the difference between gross total income and total income, and how will be tax calculation of the taxability of Hindu undivided family. It is section 2 clause 2. Money is given from Hindu undivided family and family members. And please remember the Hindu undivided family tax advantage. Section 80G, 80C, and salary of Karta members and TDS on interest. Separate income tax deduction or interest for self-occupied house property. And now is the deduction is as per new tax slab section 115 BAC clause 5. We have already discussed, and what is the surcharge, such and smart strategies advantage of HUF, help avoid to service tax, salary to Karta, and given loan from business, nomad and AMT. And what is the deductions allowable from gross total income section 80C to till section 80U? We have already discussed, and regarding of TDS rates challan, how many amounts will be deposited and what is the TDS rates, and TDS payment due dates we have already discussed, and filling rates is ITR 2 and 3 applicable for individual for HUF, and is deduction of TDS and filling tax returns are two separate legal complaints, and at due date is every 31st July, but it will be increased till 30 September. And now we will be check again the knowledge of we have already discussed the knowledge, and now we'll be start a numerical problems is the practical questions. Okay, now we will be just throw out the knowledge. What is the benefits if you pay the tax returns under the Hindu undivided family, and if you are tax returns is Hindu after Hindu divided family, you are paying interest tax returns. You can see easily Priya and Rahul are a married couple with a younger daughter Ananya. Priya earns a salary is 17 lakh rupees per year, and while is Rahul is earned 35 lakh rupees for his job. They also own a small apartment that bring is 6 lakh rupees in rent actually. Currently, their combined the tax liabilities in a quite high, like I said before, Hindu undivided family, and after is Hindu undivided family. It is the calculation. Now I will give to discussion how will be calculation of this salary, and it is first will be here heading is will be here is Rahul, and here will be Priya, PRIP, and here will be on the parameters, and we can write down here particulars. Now we'll do practice with a practical examples of VR calculation. Here is regarding of is before Hindu undivided family. Before HUF means Hindu undivided family. It is salary. It is in the questions we have already discussed. Is the Priya salary is 17 lakh rupees. Sorry, and Rahul salary is 35 lakh rupees, and it is the rental income in the question. We have already discussed regarding of this 6 lakh rupees in rental annually, and it will be divided equally. Both of it is 3 lakh rupees is Priya, and we will be showing income tax returns, and 3 lakh rupees will be shown Rahul. And now it is the total income. In 17 lakh plus 3 lakh is equal to 20 lakh, and 35 lakh plus 3 lakh is equal to is 38 lakh, and it is It is tax per as new regime. Uh, Here is will be calculation of the tax regime is the regarding of this is tax slabs is we will be calculate here is on the basis of this tax slab. It is we will be taxation of is tax rate is under section 115 BAC up to 3 lakh rupees is nil, 3 lakh to 6 lakh is 5%, and 6 lakh 1 to 9 lakh is 10%, 9 lakh to 1 to 12 lakh is 15%, and 15 lakh 12 lakh to 15 lakh till is 20%. This and above is 15 lakh to is 30%. And after that, this calculations we will be reach uh, same calculation is here is 2,85,000. It will be at the 5 percentage and 10 percentage and 25 percentage as per income slab. And Rahul income is 35 lakh rupees, and it will be here is the calculation of the percentage of it is 8 lakh 25,000 is the tax slabs as per calculations. And this will be total income of Rahul and Priya. It will be 28 lakh plus 8 lakh 25. It will be 11 lakh 10,000. It is the calculation, and now we will be calculation is after HUF. We will be calculation of same calculation is income from in Priya and Rahul. We have already discussed individually calculation. As per this in calculation tax slab, both person will be pay is 11 lakh 10,000, and in separately will be pay. Priya will pay 2 lakh 85,000 and Rahul will be pay 8 lakh 25,000. Now we will be discussions is again see carefully, and now we will discuss this question is again Priya and Rahul. Priya and Rahul are a married couple with a young daughter is Ananya. Priya earn in the salary 17 lakh per year, while Rahul earn is 35 lakh from his job. They also own a small apartment that bring is 6 lakh rupees in a rent annually. Currently, their combined tax liabilities in the Q high. Here is the clearly the questions. Both person are not doing the business. They are earning from rental income is the apartment, which is 6 lakh rupees. Now we will be again discussion regarding of practical problem, and how will be calculate is income from is Hindu undivided family. Same portion in here we will be discuss is particular Priya Rahul, and this will be here is fully details. We will be discussing same as will be write down here is salary. Salary is same, no change in the salary, and it is 17 lakh salary is Priya and 35 lakh salary is Rahul, and is rental income. Now here will be calculation is of HUF. It is here is uh, total is rental income not so inferior, and Rahul will show nil. And Rahul will be the 6 lakh rupees is the rental income. Same, and we can add here is 17 lakh is plus 35 lakh is 47 is total is 52 lakh rupees both, and it is the rental income, and it is total taxable income as per new tax regime 17 lakh 35 17 lakh or 35 lakh rupees, and as per new tax regime is we will be calculation here is it is 1 lakh 95,000, and here is calculation is 7 lakh 35,000, and total tax burden of family with total tax burden total tax burden is in family 1 lakh 95,000 plus 7 lakh 35,000 is equal to is 9 lakh 30,000. Okay. Now is we can see the what is the difference between tax returns in the before HUF and after is HUF. We can say easily here is the before HUF Priya and Rahul giving to pay tax is 11 lakh 10,000, and if condition is if both person is paying to as per Hindu and divided family, they are both person in the saving 9 lakh 30,000 is the tax paying is 9 lakh 30,000, and this total tax saving is 11 lakh 10,000 tax saving after HUF uh, is equal to is 11 lakh 10,000 minus 9 lakh 30,000. It will be calculation here is 1 lakh 80,000. It will be taxable. By creating a Hindu undivided family and strategically distributing their income, Priya and Rahul can potentially save a significant amount on taxes each year. Now we will be another question in the discussions as per informations. Now we will be discuss this question. The example how a HUL is taxed. Consider the following example following his father is passing. It means he passed away. Mr. Rajesh Singh organized a HUF in which he includes his wife, son, and daughter as members due to the fact that Mr. Singh did not have any sibling. The estates that his father had owned was transferred to the HUF. The annual rent of the estimate formally owned by the late Mr. Singh is rupees 7,50,000. A formally Mr. Rajesh Singh earned 20 lakh rupees annually in his salary. Regarding tax saving, Mr. Singh can establish a Hindu undivided family. Now we will be discuss discussions and we will be here is the some practical problem we will be write down here and this will be discussion here is I will be discuss here some parameters, then we will calculations of this parameters. First, we will be write down here is income from various sources, and after this income returns, income return, and is one other is HUF return. HUF means Hindu undivided family returns. Now I will be discuss in the same benefits here is the as per information. Now here I will be write down income from Mr. Singh before Mr. Singh income before HUF and Mr. Singh income and income Mr. Singh income after HUF. Mr. Singh income after HUF and income of HUF and first will be write down is the salary and as per this question is the salary Mr. Singh is 7,50,000. I will be mentioning the salary is Mr. Singh and Mr. Rajesh Singh is the 20 lakh rupees annually in the salary. So Mr. Singh is salary is 20 lakh rupees and income before after HUF is income is 20 lakh rupees same here and in income of HUF is the nil. House rent is Here is the house property is equal to 7,50,000. We will be so in income. No will be so after and in HUF we will be so 7,50,000 and standard deduction on house property. Standard deduction is house property minus is 2,25,000 and is it will not show after HUF and income of Hindu undivided family is same here. The minus is 2,25,000. Now we will be calculation of income from house property. Income from house property. Seven lakh 50,000 minus 2,25,000 is equal to 5,25,000. And Mr. Singh income after HUF is same is 20 lakh rupees. And it is same here is 7,50,000 minus 2,50,000 is equal to 5,25,000. And here is the deduction of the sections ATC. ATC is equal to 1,50,000. As per new tax regime, we can deduct only 1,50,000, and it is income from HUF. Same here is 1,50,000 is it is minus. And now will be here the top net taxable income. Net taxable income is uh, here is one column is missing. Sorry, here will be total taxable income is equal to is 25 lakh rupees 25,000 and is Mr. Singh income after HUF is the same 20 lakh rupees and is same here is no is 12 lakh 25,000 sorry 5 lakh 25,000 and here is the net income taxable income is 5 lakh 25,000 minus 1 lakh 50,000 is equal to 23 lakh 75,000 and here is 18 lakh 50,000 and here is we will be pay is the 5 lakh 25,000 is equal to 3 lakh 75,000 is a very important question. Why not mention here is the income of HUF? Because this salary is of an individual, This is not income of a. This will be considered as a Hindu undivided family income and not taxable here individually. And in house property, and is now its calculation is now we will be calculating the tax payable income. Mr. Singh. 23 lakh thousand, and it is the tax payable is 5 lakh as per new tax levy. 5,53,625 rupees. And same here is after, it will be here answer is negative is minus 3,99,125, and this amount is tax saving 1,54,000, 1,75,000, 1 lakh is no is I think is 1,50,375, and it is here is 7,725 rupees. Here we have calculation of the total tax paid by Singh. Here is the calculation same. Now we will be reach of the conclusions. Tax planning and compliance is the evaluation of Hindu undivided family under Income Tax Act 1961 Act. Tax liabilities can be precisely calculated and suitable deduction can be claimed by carefully receiving and applying portions sections such as section clause 10 and subclause 32. A Hindu undivided family may satisfy their tax transactions responsibilities and make contributions to their sustainability and financial well-being by skillfully navigating the assessment procedures. And now is we have discussed about the keywords is the HUF, Karta, Corporation and Person HUF properties, thank etc. Now we have already discussed of the regarding of Hindu undivided family practical problem also. Now we will be meet to next unit we will be discussing.